good combination coming forward. Beautiful KO!
Michael Page's corner, the London shooting back, screaming at him, telling him to take it seriously, and there's a spinning kick. That is unbelievable.
Wow! He turns.
โอ้ยโอ้โหยกเดียวรู้เรื่องนะครับท่านผู้ชมครับเรียบร้อย
in number by Goodridge, and that.
Oh my God, Brian! What a knockout!
Khalidowa nie udało się.
Even on total strikes at the moment. Quite on there.
Oh, there's the up kick. Wow! Lom Ali Malkiev made space through the right kick.
Your winner. Holy An unbelievable knee delivered by Shinzo Machida.
You can't time a flying knee any better than that.
Whoa!
Mercer steps back, starts to walk away, and then comes in with his hand helpless on the ropes and finishes him off. Right here, that right hand, that basically pretty much finished him off, but then he was open for that final shot. Wow. And Ray Mercer wanted to walk away. He expected the referee to step in, and the referee did not step in, so he obliged by doing what he needed to do.